It's lovely up here in the mountains. Nice and cool. All right. You leave the Port Royal Road out of Kingston, then along the Windward Road until you get to the cement factory. Then you turn left. Follow the road up the hill, down the other side, and 2 miles further on the left, Magenta Drive 239. I'll be waiting for you.
How did it happen?
I think they were on their way to a funeral.
Just a minute.
You did invite me, remember?
Oh, of course. I just didn't expect you here so soon.